Everyone tells you to do plyometrics when you're trying to gain your vertical jump. Nobody tells you how to do them, how to program them, and so on and so forth. So plyometrics is the second part to our 3-component series. We covered strength, which is akin to an engine in a car, whereas plyometrics is like a gearbox for a car. And the gearbox, which is plyometrics, help us turn our strength into vertical force, which is what we need to do. Plyometrics is a lot of movement work, which trains your tendons, which acts as springs, to basically launch yourself off the ground. And so we have to train that spring and its elasticity and its stiffness to be able to utilize the force we produce and create vertical force as much as possible. And so that's what's really important with plyometrics. I won't get into all the nitty-gritty like the stretch shortening cycle and all that here. This is the second component that we're going to be training as we taper off our strength. So once we've built that foundation, we're really going to go hard into the plyometrics and try and really create that vertical force. And that's where I expect the most gains for my vertical jump to happen. Hopefully we can add 3 or 4 inches over the coming weeks when we start implementing our plyometric sessions. Again, for our plyometrics, I have to be really careful at 30 years old. I don't have the same springy tendons at 19 that can recover really quickly. And so I have to make sure I'm recovering correctly. I have to make sure I'm not going to develop any overuse injuries with the repetitive movements that we're going to do. And I have to make sure I'm not flaring up old injuries like shin splints and Achilles tendonitis when I attempt to take on these plyometric sessions. I'm hoping to really go hard in these plyometric sessions in a few weeks, and then from there we should really see that vertical jump explode, and hopefully by then I'll be able to dunk. So thank you for the support and keep following along for the Dunk 30 project.